There's my lovage plant. Ooh, let's see what other goodies there are. There's the Nanking cherry tree. It's got little buds on it already, or tree leaves. And there's my he drinks and he knows everything. There, and here's one of my flower beds, and here's the other one, and here's the work I was doing. I got half of it done. It's quite proud of that. And I cleaned out the potato bin, and I'm gonna have another potato bin there. And here's the other plants that are doing great. Ooh. The dogwood has got some new leaves. It's awesome. And there's the I guess it's a squirrel feeder and a crow feeder. Yeah, this. We fill it full of bird seed and stuff. And there's garden. Ooh. And the tree. There's the work Sheldon did on that front garden. He started digging it out for me. That was a lot of work. I think we're going to put the compost in there and see if I can loosen it up and make it less dense. Make it more airy and so that things can grow. Okay, there we are.